My name is Kimbra, and I am your passive income diva. And I'm coming to you to present the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is a 30-day challenge to show you how to go from 0 to 30 days and building up to 6 figures in your business. And so I myself am joining the challenge, and I invite you to join the challenge along with me. For those of you who have been in business, for those of you who are starting your business, this is a good challenge for you. A lot of times we are afraid to invest in a mentor, and we are afraid to take the leap. But if you take the leap and do the work, I guarantee you that you will come out on top. So, who is this for? This is for coaches, bloggers, those of you who are in MLM. We always leave the MLMers out in any type of network marketing. Whether you have a physical product or you sell digital products, this challenge can be for you. And so, as you can see down below, we have a lot of bonuses just from the challenge alone. You get the challenge workbook, you get a 30-day summit actual physical book, as well as you get the business in a box that will be shipped directly to you once you make the investment. Now, what is the investment? The investment is a small investment, and trust me, $100 won't even pay for the shipping and all the information that you're going to get from this challenge. It's worth thousands and thousands of dollars. And so the investment is just a seed. Look at it as a seed that you are sowing for your business. I believe in you reap what you sow. And if you sow a good seed and you water it, you will get the return. For those of you who sow apple seeds for an apple tree, you sow that seed into the ground and you water it. And then you get a nice apple tree where you can enjoy those apples. And so I believe that is a great analogy for our business, that if we sow a seed, we will get the return. Now, don't forget, you have to do the work. It's more than just posting on social media, but it's different things. You have to do the work that is taught to you by millionaire gurus. Okay, so it's good to get around people that are where we want to be, and so you will get to be into an accountability group. And also, I have a special group as well that will house basically everybody who will be joining me on this challenge. So I ask that you really check out the information on my funnel below. Check out the information, check out the videos, and if you have any other questions, feel free to inbox me or email me, and I will certainly answer your questions. So again, take the leap, invest in your business, show the universe that you want something, show the universe, show yourself that you want to really take the leap of faith. Can I afford to do this? No. But am I going to do this? Yes. Okay, I'm going to take the leap of faith. I'm going to do the work, and I'm going to come out on top. So if you want to join me, please go ahead and click the button below. And once you join the challenge, I will add you to the group. I will also give you my extra bonuses that are available to you. If you look down below, we have extra bonuses that we have available. One of them being our email marketing masterclass that'll show you how to build your leads. We will actually give you sales funnels that you can use in order to generate your leads. We will also give you PLR content, which is the private label rights content, whether it's an ebook or a digital course that you can give to your people to generate your leads, to get them on your list. Okay, having a list is very important if you want to have customers, because you need to vet those customers. So we're going to do that. We're going to give you a chat bot download that you can actually upload to your chat that you can actually generate sales through your messenger. So we have so much in store for you. So go ahead and click the button below, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side. Take care, you guys, and I'll see you there. Bye.